Buenas noches, buenas noches. Here we go. This is Senor Drago with 1.4, el alfabeto, los consonantes y los vocales. The alphabet, consonants, and vowels. Vocales are vowels, consonantes are consonants. And it is true, some people don't know the difference, so we're going to go through it. And that's your section objective. Learn to pronounce the letters in Spanish as we already did. But now we're going to find out which ones are consonants and which ones are vowels. All right, los vocales, the vowels. And they're all soft, which means they don't make long sounds, they make short. And it's A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And the tricky part here is the E and the I, because the E makes an E, and the I makes an E, and the A makes an A. So don't be tricked by that. It just takes practice. A, E, I, O, U. Those are your vocales, which means all the rest of them are consonants, right? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, P, Q, S, T, B, W, Y, Z. Oh, we forgot the R down at the bottom there. R. Yeah, that's your R, right? Cool. Those are your consonantes. And don't forget the G makes that little, kind of sounds like you're going to spit up a loogie, but that's the way it goes. And then the is a little different from the R, which is the roll your tongue R. And then you got the Ñ. So, and then in the last video, we learned cómo se deletrea tu nombre. Cómo se deletrea tu nombre. How do you spell your name? And then you can pretty much ask any word in English and see if you can spell it in Spanish. ¿Cómo se deletrea book en español? And so se deletrea L, E, B, R, O. And that's libro. Libro. So book in Spanish is libro, and you would spell it like that: L-A, well, L-E-B-R-O, because that's an I. So it's just a matter of practicing. Practice, practice, practice. Go over the alphabet. Practice the sounds. Practice how to say the letters, and practice spelling words. And you'll be fine. All right? See you soon. Nos vemos.